Select Controls present Digital Cooling Controller CH403B Series. CH403B series consists of 3 different variants with different specifications and applications. Additionally, each product has IP65 frontal protection. It comes with 2.5-digit bright white display for process value indication. It has display indications like degree Celsius, degree Fahrenheit, defrost on, relay on and alarm in the display. As you can see, this product has 4 capacitive touch keys for programming purpose. Namely up key, down key, home key, and enter key. To enter into the programming mode, press up and down key simultaneously for 3 seconds. To exit the programming mode, press home key for 3 seconds. To edit the set point, press the enter key for 3 seconds. To increment or decrement set point, press up and down key respectively. To save the set point, press enter key once. We provide brass-made NTC sensor with 2 meters of length as well as terminal cover along with the unit as a package. Terminal connections. CH403B-1-NTC. Terminal 1 and 2 are for NTC sensor input. Terminal 3 and 5 are for line and neutral connection of supply voltage input. Terminals 6, 7 and 8 are for normally closed, normally open, and common terminal of 10 ampere relay output respectively. This terminal has IDM feature, that is independent downloader module, which allows user to download and upload the configuration settings from one unit to another within seconds. CH403B-2-NTC. Similarly, only difference in this product is, it has easy to install Lug type relay output which is suitable for load up to 20 amperes. For CH403B-3-NTC, it has 20 ampere relay control output on terminal 1 and 2. On terminal 3, 4 and 5 we have auxiliary 5 ampere relay for alarm or cyclic timer function. Terminal 6 and 7 are for NTC sensor input. On terminal 8 and 9 we have digital input terminal which is used for door open mode in refrigerator. Applications. Steam bath system, industrial chiller, air dryer system, HVAC system, display unit, deep freezer and cold storage, and many more.